if you and your ex live in different states, do you have to prove before the court which state it would be better for the child in order to get custody? Well, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. You know, it's a very good question about if you live in one place and she lives in another place, whether or not you've got to prove which place is better in order to get custody. See, theoretically, assuming there's no jurisdictional issue, the place itself is not, you don't have to prove, for example, that Florida is a better place than Ohio in order to get your custody. That's really, in and of itself, not going to be the deciding factor. As you know, there are 12 factors associated with determining what's in the best interest of the children. And right off the bat, the court is not likely to say this state is necessarily better than that state without some further analysis as to what's in the best interest of the children. So, for example, if, let's say, one state has, it's Florida, so that's the sunshine state. So let's say the weather is warmer there. And a child has a condition of some sort, a bronchial condition, that is better serviced in the warm areas than in a very cold state. The court might not say, I like Florida better, so therefore that parent should get custody, but the court would say, it's in the best, all things being equal, a child's health is promoted better with a state that with a warmer climate than one with a colder climate. So the court would sort of look at the best interest to determine which particular place might be better. In doing that, the court might, for example, also look at, let's say, what educational opportunities are available. Again, the court's not going to be choosing between Hawaii and Arkansas so much as it's going to choose, okay, this child has these educational needs. Everybody might prefer to live in Hawaii than in Little Rock. But at the same time, suppose this child needs a certain type of ABA therapy because they're on the autism spectrum. And the availability of that therapy is significantly greater in Arkansas than it is in Honolulu. Guess what? Even though Honolulu may be everybody's dream place to go, or it's probably going to send that kid to Arkansas. Why? Because that's what promotes the best interest of the child. It promotes the health interest of the child. All things being considered and being equal, the court might make that decision. So it's not really about proving which state is better. It's about proving what's in the best interest of the child. Now, does that roll into or sort of fold into an analysis of which state is better? It could be. There might be some overlap there. But at the same time, let's always remember the key is, and the factors are, what embraces, what encourages, what moves forward the child's best interest, not necessarily where they're going to live. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.